And if you look closely, you can see something appears to be walking like here as the ground's been pushed down. Usually that means something's been coming in and going in here. So that's what we're gonna seal off, and we're gonna put our one-way door here, as that probably looks to me to be the most active spot down here, but time will tell. We're back onto this deck here, and what's happened over time is that the wall is deteriorated, and someone's come in and put some slurry on, and they got to the ground, and for whatever reason the slurry has separated from the ground, still exposing the foundation gap for rats to get in. So if we look right there, we can see that we've got one going, and we got a couple more on in. So as we get in here, as we've exposed it all and we're about to seal it up, I'll point some more stuff out to you. So we're coming down along a little more. You can see some more stuff happening. And if you look up there, you can see that the window seal has come up even, allowing more access into the house. So we're going to seal all this up, make it nice and taut, and no animals get back in. So we've gotten over here, and as you can see, hopefully, so here's where we see one of our biggest gaps of things getting in behind the wall. This was the other spot that we had come across. When we had the dirt here, there was actually a burrow through the dirt, and it appears that they're squeezing down underneath here as well. So we're gonna block that off. We got this all tap conned in, blocked off, no one getting back in there.